We're starting a series of sweet, useful posts with dry caramel. Heat a saucepan until it's hot. Sprinkle in a thin, even layer of fine granulated sugar. Lower the heat and wait for the sugar to melt and caramelize. You can gently shake the pan or rotate it from time to time. When most of the sugar has turned amber, add another handful. Again, wait until most of it caramelizes. Now you can start stirring. Watch closely. The caramel shouldn't burn. We're aiming for a deep amber colour. The darker the caramel, the less sweet it tastes because sugars break down during caramelization. A slight, pleasant bitterness is exactly what we want. Balance it with a pinch of salt. Pour the caramel onto a Teflon or silicone mat. Spread it thinly and let it cool completely. Break it into pieces and blend into a fine powder. Store in an airtight jar in a cool, dry, dark place for several months. For ideas on how to use this caramel powder, check the description below.